A noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: person, teacher, doctor, Henry. Place, school, park, England. Thing, book, car, computer. Idea, love, honesty, freedom. In short, a noun is basically a naming word. Summary: proper specific names, common general names, abstract feelings/ideas, concrete physical objects, collective groups, countable things, uncountable non-countable things. One proper noun names a specific person, place, or thing, always starts with a capital letter. Examples: Henry, England, Oxford University, Coca-Cola, Titanic, Eiffel Tower. Examples: 1. Henry is my friend. Person. 2. We live in England. Country. 3. She studies at Oxford University. Institution. 4. I like Coca-Cola. Brand. 5. Have you watched Titanic? Movie. 2. Common noun names general people, places, or things, not specific. Examples: boy, city, book, river. Sentences with common nouns. 1. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. 2. A boy is playing in the park. 3. We live in a big city. 4. The river flows through the valley. 5. She bought a new book yesterday. 3. Abstract noun names ideas, qualities, or feelings, things we cannot touch. Examples: love, honesty, anger, freedom. Sentences: 1. Love makes life meaningful. 2. Honesty is the best policy. 3. Anger can destroy relationships. 4. Freedom is the right of every human being. 4. Concrete noun names things we can touch, see, hear, taste, or smell. Examples: apple, car, music, perfume. Sentences: 1. She ate a red apple after lunch. 2. My father bought a new car. 3. I enjoy listening to soft music. For this perfume smells wonderful. 5. Collective noun names a group of people, animals, or things. Examples: team, army, flock, class. Sentences: 1. Our team won the football match. 2. The army protected the country. 3. A flock of birds flew over the trees. 4. The class is studying for the test. 6. Countable noun things we can count with numbers. Examples: 3 books, 5 chairs, 10 students. Sentences: 1. I bought 3 books from the market. 2. The classroom has 5 chairs near the window. 3. There are 10 students in the library. 7. Uncountable noun things we cannot count directly. Examples: water, sugar, information, milk. Sentences: 1. There is little water in the glass. 2. I need some sugar for my tea. 3. The teacher gave us useful information. 4. The baby drinks milk every morning. Question: can you recognize the noun types? Sentence: Henry 1. Traveled to England. 2. He showed true honesty. 3. When his team. 4. Discovered some books. 5. And a little sugar. 6. On the table. 7. In the school. 8. Task for readers: identify the type of each noun in the sentence and write your answers in the comments.